Hello traders. Today again I want to take a trade on the basis of zone 17. As you know what is zone 17, here I explained all the things. If you want to learn about this, you can go my channel, and from there you can download the PDF of this zone and learn very nicely and practice a lot on the demo account. It is very important thing. And zone 17 I have taken from my book. This is the ultimate trading zones. Here I have created 15 plus trading strategies which I have explained here, and you can also take advantage of this book by buying, and you can buy from Amazon platform. And now we see it is totally explaining video, and I want to explain what is going on. I have not taken any big amount. I am totally explaining this. I told you that I will explain again and again what is going on in the market, and you can see zone 17 is here also available, and with the help of it we can find out. And it is very common zone, you can find out anywhere in the market very easily. You will get again and again. Doesn't matter market is whether market is OTC or what is real market or anything else. It doesn't matter. Only here you can see this is the zone, and again it has become, because it has worked one time. So I told you again and again that you only try one time one zone. You always use fresh zone at the time of practicing, and when you get perfection, then you can do as your wish. Here you can see again and again there are a lot of zone in the market, and you always do the same thing as I do, but it is very important. It is very important part. Here you can see also a zone. This is 2000 level, and market has crossed this level very fastly, and the market again coming in this zone very properly. As you are watching, it is very important thing. And whenever I will take trade here, when market will come in this zone, I will take trade. I will show only, this is not the way of trading. I'm only showing that how can you trade and where you have to leave the trade. Here you can see the market is coming below, and this is the zone. And again market here, you can see the Bollinger Band is below here. There is no any rejection from the Bollinger Band, so that market is coming here and go back from here. And if this zone will be broken, then it will be very strong candle, as you are watching here. It is very important. What is going on in this market? I told you firstly that from here market will go up, and you can see very easily it is going on in the market again and again. You can see there's nothing here. Market is uptrend market, majorly uptrend market. Or here you are watching the zone again. It is 360, but I told you that you always use here. This market is divided into 20 parts, so you have to see here the target of the market is here and the zone is here. If market will come in this zone here, you can take trade from here. Okay, it is very important thing. And where you should leave the trade and where you should take, it is very important thing. If you think that this is zone and I will take trade here, no. All the things is very important part here. As you're watching that this is a zone and market is going down, and here the target of the market is here. So you have to follow the rule, and you should know, you should think about it. What is the target of the market? And here this is the zone, and market again I told you that this is also a zone target. So if market will come here in this zone, I can take trade from here. As you know, this is also zone, and here you can see a zone is also available. And as you are watching, and first you see that this is majorly uptrend market, and here market is the structure of the market you can see come and down, come below and up, down, up, down, up, down, and up, and the target is here. So if market will come in my zone, I will take trade from here. You will see, and I told you many times that if you take a trade in your zone, this is you can't say that it is 100% thing. It will happen in the market, and you can see here touching by the below level of the zone, market is going down. This is the thing. Again, many time market touch the below line and below level, and it reverse. So it is happening, but I told you many times that you always take trade from here, upper side of the band, upper side of the zone. It is very important part. Here. This is uptrend market, and it is very important to see when market is coming down and down. And as you are saying that here is also a zone, and I will take trade from here. And if this trade will not, here you can see the Bollinger Band is here. There is no rejection from the Bollinger Band, the level, and you can see here this is zone also. And market, if market will come below this, I will take trade from here, because it is very uptrend market, and you can see the market is going from this zone. You are seeing clearly. This is very important thing. One time market has gone from here, one time market is going from here. This is very important part. So you can see zone is working very nicely, very nicely. And market again coming down, market again coming down below. I'm only showing you the real thing, what is going on in the market, and you always try to here. There's no any gap between these two line, between two. Here this candle has crossed this level, but here there's no gap between these two, so that market is not reversing from here. So that here you can see again market has gone from the zone. All again and again this is working, and you have to see very clearly. You can see this is Quotex OTC market, and I always told you, doesn't matter what is OTC, what is a real market, everything is working in zone 17 in the same way. There is no problem. Anywhere you will get the zone. Here you can see a zone again, and this is zone, and whenever I will take trade, when candle will come in this zone, I will take trade, and I will show you, I will tell you why I have taken here, and if it will lose, then I will tell you why it is going wrong. Again, one trade I will take from here. When market come to this level, I will take a trade. You can see the power of the candle. Candle power is very nicely, and this is zone again. Here market is coming down, and after coming down, it will go upside, so it will be difficult to take trade. And I told you this is a zone, and this zone works again and again many times in the market. So you should always remember this thing. You can see what is happening. I'm only explaining you. The aim is not taking a trade, but explaining is very important thing, because you can understand very easily what is going on in the market. And here you can see from below side it is going down, and here you can see, and the next zone is here. If market will come here, then because when market first come down and then go up, then it is a sign of going up in the market. So you should aware about this. If you're not aware, then it is very, very difficult. Oh, so I wanted to take trade from here, but no problem. I can take trade from here, and this is important thing, because zone is available here. And always remember, when market is coming down, market came down and go up, came down and go up, it means it is thing to the sign is to totally you can say momentum is changed. Totally momentum is changed at the time of this. So you can see here there is nothing, and here you can see when market is going up and up, and here this is also a zone, and you can also use this zone here. So I can take trade if market will go upside again, because this is also a zone, and here movement of the market is very fast, so I'm not able to take my trade in the time. Yes, this is the level. This is the main level, and here you can see what is going on, because this is 400 level, and 400 level has been crossed by the candle very powerfully. And after crossing, you can see here, it is very important thing. This is the sign of changing the momentum of the candle. So it is very, very important part. You can see after this type of rejection, here you can see what is happening. What is happening, you can see. This is, so here it is a zone, and the power of the candle you can see. And I told you many times that when you get rejection from here, then you can take trade. So it will be very nice for you. It will work for you here. From here you can see. So many times it will happen in the market, and you can take. Trend is very important. If you will not follow the trend, then you will be always in problem. Here one zone is also available. Again and again you will get the zone, and I told you my main aim is to telling you how, where you can take trade, which trade you can avoid. Here this is a zone, and it is very, very important zone, very powerful zone it is. You will see whenever market will come, and I will tell you can you take this trade or not, what is the sign behind it. You can see here. Yes, some more if it will give. Yes, this is the main region here. From there I can take trade, and this is the sign to go up from the market. Whenever market will come here, that you are seeing that the jumping or gap up. If market will open with gap up, then it is a sign to go up with a powerful way. And this zone is very, very powerful, so that this candle has opened the gap up, and it try to break the level very fastly. But I told you that many times, this is very, very strong zone, and it will work many times in the market. You can see what is going on. That's all. This is the very, very powerful zone, and you can see from where market is coming down. Okay, so what is zone here? Here I told you this is 400 level, and this candle has broken this level with higher volume, and the gap between the first before this candle and after this candle, and you can see the gap, and this gap becomes the zone, and I made it. And whenever market will come here, I shown you that how can you take trade from here, and this is what is happening now with this zone. If this zone will be broken, then the candle will be very, very, very powerful candle. Yes, you can see what is the power of the candle. So where you should take trade, where you should avoid, it is very important thing. Whenever you see that gap up and gap down in the market, then it is power. The candle is showing the power of the zone. Here you can see again market is coming down again and again. This will happen many times in the market, and you can see this. And trend is very important thing. First you see the trend, and then you go up. Here you can see again a zone is available here. I told you many times. This is also a zone, but this is also a zone, but it is 2020 level. I told you many times, and you always remember when market will return from here, so it can break your zone very nicely, very nicely. You can see the market has gone from here up many times, so it is very, very logical thing. You should also aware about it. When market will open from here, then it can go till there. Okay, so it is very important. So there your zone can be failed, so you always aware about it also. It is very important thing, but it has worked here. And I told you many times that you always you take trade on your zone, but you can't say this is 100% thing, it will work 100%. No, nothing is 100% in the market. You always remember this thing, nothing is 100% in the market. And but if you show your logic, you will be very, very powerful, and will become very, very powerful trader. As a trader, you can become a very powerful if you make everything in logical way. Okay, the market is going up, and here also a zone, again here a zone, and whenever market will come in this zone, this is very big point, but I can take trade from here. Okay, you can see the response, what is going on here. I'm also only trying to show you that where you can still take one time. If the market will open and go up, then you can take trade directly from here. If market is going down and then go up, so it is showing that market is going to break your level, your zone. So you should avoid it. You should aware about this. If you're not aware, you will be in loss. As I want to show you what is going behind this. Whenever market, first, if you want to take trade below side, and market should go up. If it would go up, then it is very important. You can see, I told you many times, I shown you many times that the lower level of the zone is very, very important also. It is going down, but I told you many times that you take trade from upper level of the zone. It is very important part of the trading. You always remember it. If you will not remember, you will in loss. Okay, so it is very, very important thing to know. Yes, market is coming again, a zone is here also available, and I can take trade from here. You can see I will take trade from here. This is the sign, and it is very, very powerful zone. It is very, very powerful zone. Here you can see where you can take trade, and this is very, very important thing. If market will come here, I will show the last trade. And always remember, here you can see a zone also available. Here you can see this is the level from where market has gone many times. You can see market has gone here. So if here you can see this is the level, and the target of the market is upside, but trend is down. Trend is down here. Market is going down. Whenever market will come in this zone, I will place a trade here. This is very important thing to know. Very important thing to know what is happening in the market. Market is doing very well. And in trading, you always follow the rule. Rule is very important part of the trading. Here you can see again a zone also. Again a zone also here. This is also become a zone. Again, this is a fresh zone. Here, from here you can take trade. Okay, this is a fresh zone. If market will come here, I will take trade from here. Okay, this is very important part. And sign is very important. What is going on in the market, this is very important zone. If market will come here, I will take trade below side. Okay, you can see, you will see there's no problem that this trade will lose or not. There's no problem, because I told you many times this is the level. Okay, so many time I told you that whenever market will break your zone, it will be the very strong candle. And it is very important to know your level. If you know your zone, if you practice on your zone very nicely, you will be a powerful trader. You will become a powerful trader if you do things like this. This is the zone. From here 400 level has been broken, and here you can see the candle is very powerful. And now yes, here you can see this is the zone, and the power is showing the candle. It is very important. This is zone, but it is very here you can see after one candle it is the next candle. I told you many times that after crossing the level, you should take after 2 to 3 candle above behind this, and then your zone will work very nicely. So last time I told you many times that it will work very properly. And when your market will come in your zone, I will take trade here also. This is a zone also here, and we can use this zone here. This is the zone, because market is going very down and going down and down and down and down. It is very important thing to know. And whenever market will come in this zone, I will take trade here. You can see, and here this is very important zone again. Okay, so whenever you will in control, you should control in your trading, otherwise you can lose very strongly. Okay, this is very important thing to know. This is also a zone. Whenever market will come here, I will take trade. This is also a zone, and again I told you that you can use this thing very properly. This is whenever market showing this type of volatility, this will be very bad for you. And you should always remember this. Volatility is very important. You should check your volatility of the market. If you know the volatility of the market, about the volatility of the market, then you will be able to do here what is going on the market. You see the candle reaction. Big wicks. Big wicks are available here, so you avoid this. You should avoid this market here. Whenever you see the big wick, it will be losing point. It can be losing point of you. You can see this is not working well, so you should avoid this here. And always remember, it is very important thing to know what is going on here. Here also going on a lot of things, and we should take trade from here. Here this is a zone also, and now I can show you here. This is also a zone, and whenever market will come in this zone, I will place a trade here. And but you remember, when market will go directly upside and in this union zone, then you can place. But if market is going down and then up, then it means then it is going to break your zone again. Okay, so this is the important part of your trading. If market is going up, If market will go up here, then I will take it. Then I will take trade from here. No problem. But if it go down, then go up, it will be problematic. Okay, I'm waiting here. I'm waiting here. No problem. Here you can see, this is not the way to, I told you that I'm only telling you the way how to take trade on your zone. Again, market is going down. The target of the market is here, but because downtrend is here, and whenever market will come in this zone, I will take from here. But you can see here the down, and if market will go upside, you can see I told you many times I told you, if there is any rejection, you go up, and go up. Some go up and I will take trade from there. Some go up, some more. It is for next time, for next minute. It is the first for the next minute, because I haven't got the time. And here I only want to show you what is going on. This is 20 gap. I told you always remember 50, 100 and 150, 200, 250. This type of zone it will work here. This is a zone also, because here 60 level is here, and market has because it has come on the next minute, so it can cancel. And here you can see the zone is available. Why? The 60 level is broken by this candle very powerfully, and after this market is gone from here, and you can see the zone in the candle before this and the candle after this. It is a gap, and this gap has become the zone for the next time in the market. And from here this candle has worked very nicely, and this candle also can work very nicely, but it can go up also, because here this is the reason from market has gone up. So it can also go up. So you always remember, when market start from here, it can go up. So it is not, you should avoid this type of trade when market is going from here, because next time it has gone from here to here, but main trend is down. So that I have taken trade from here very nicely, and last time it can be broken, but you can see here this is the main thing, the main zone, so that here it has worked. Okay, so that it has worked. Okay, and if I wanted to tell you where can we take the trade. Okay, so if you have enjoyed this type of trading, this type of knowledge, you can share it, and like and subscribe my channel a lot as you can.